honest to be with somebody. Take my pain away. I am music playing.
Welcome to our YouTube channel through Gen AI Lens, where we explore the tools that are changing how we work. I'm your host Nidhi, and today I'm thrilled to have Sunil joining us. Sunil is a productivity consultant who's been using Notion AI extensively. Welcome to the show, Sunil.
Thanks for having me, Nidhi. Really excited to be here.
So Sunil, let's jump right in. I keep hearing about Notion AI everywhere, but I'll be honest, I'm not entirely sure what it actually is. Can you break it down for our listeners?
Absolutely. So think of Notion AI as your personal assistant that lives directly inside your workspace. You know how Notion is already this all-in-one tool for notes, databases, and project management? Well, Notion AI takes that and adds artificial intelligence throughout the entire experience.
Okay, but what does that actually mean day to day?
Great question. So imagine you're writing a project proposal and you're stuck. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask Notion AI to help you brainstorm ideas, improve your writing, or even generate a first draft. Or let's say you have a 20-page research document. Notion AI can summarize it into key points in seconds.
That sounds almost too good to be true. What makes it different from just using ChatGPT or other AI tools?
The key difference is integration. With ChatGPT, you have to copy and paste back and forth, switch between tabs, and lose context. With Notion AI, it's built right into your workspace. It knows your projects, your writing style, your databases. It's like having an AI assistant who actually understands your work environment.
I can see how that would be game-changing. What's been your biggest wow moment with it?
Last week, I had a client meeting that ran over, and I had about 3 pages of messy notes. I asked Notion AI to turn those notes into a clean summary with action items, and it did it perfectly in about 30 seconds. Something that would have taken me 20 minutes was done instantly.
That's incredible. Sunil, we're going to take a quick break, but when we come back, I want to dive deeper into some specific use cases and maybe some of the challenges you've faced. This is fascinating stuff.
Sounds perfect, Nidhi. Looking forward to it.
Keep watching till the end. I'll be right back with more insights on Notion AI in this video.
Nice to meet you.